Yo, what's poppin', man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy, Dwight, man. You're well. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you get more change than the wishing well. I want to say thank y'all, and welcome back to Kick's Corner, man. Kick's Corner podcast. You already know what it is. We got a new unboxing. The Nike Baltoro mountain boots, size 10. Coming in this all black box. Got the Nike signs on the back. Side, front, side. You already know what it is. These came out in 1990. I was a shorty then, telling my age, but it's all good. But this how it look, man. This the colorway. This is the OG colorway. These the ones that Fresh Prince Will Smith had on in this that made famous, man, in the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. But yeah, we got the age look right here. We got the kind of like the orange, the purple Duke right there. Come, Duke. Come. You gotta wait 1 minute, okay? I'll take you out. Duke interrupted me. You got the turquoise, got the purple Nike on the back. I don't know, man. I might keep these. You got the 10 right there. So, you know. Here go the other one. Front. This is the back. Let me flip it around. The front. The bottom. Back. They alright, man. They fire, man. They kind of growing on me. I don't know. I was going to dump them. I'm not sure, man. Is they a keep? Is they a sleep or keep? Or get rid of these. Throw them in the next week. You hear me? I'm going to have to start using that. Sleep, keep, or throw them into next week. You already know what it is. Man, it's your boy, Dwight, man. You well. I hope you're doing well. And I hope you get more change than the wishing well. Holla at your boy, man. Kick's Corner, man. Kick's Corner podcast. Holla at your boy. Peace.